You ever check your bank account and wonder, where did all my money go? Yeah, same. If you don't have $10,000 saved yet, let's fix that. Because it's not as hard as you think. You don't need a six-figure salary, crazy budgeting skills, or to stop buying coffee forever. You just need the right plan. And today, I'm giving it to you. Most people never save because they think they don't make enough. But the truth, saving isn't about how much you earn, it's about how you manage what you already have. Even if you're starting from zero, these simple steps will get you to your first $10,000. And I promise, no extreme couponing or eating rice and beans for a year, just real, practical money moves that anyone can do. First, let's make this number less scary. Saving $10,000 sounds impossible until you break it down. If you save $833 per month, you'll hit $10,000 in a year. If that's too much, save $192 per week. If you want to start even smaller, just $27 per day. That's it. Now it feels doable, right? The best way to hit these numbers is to automate your savings. Set up an auto transfer to a separate account before you can spend it. Out of sight, out of mind. And suddenly, you're saving without even thinking about it. Next, let's talk about cutting the right expenses. Not everything. I'm not here to tell you to stop buying lattes. Cutting every little thing won't make you rich, but cutting the right things, that's where you win. The first step is to audit your last 3 months of spending. You'll find at least one dumb expense, guaranteed. Then, cancel subscriptions you don't use. I promise you don't need Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and HBO Max. Pick one. Be strong. Another way to spend less is to switch to cash for daily purchases. Studies show you spend less when using cash because watching physical money leave your hand actually hurts. And if you want a fun challenge, try a no-spend weekend. You'll save money and realize how many things you don't actually need. Now, cutting expenses only gets you so far. If you want to save faster, you need to make more money. There are 3 easy ways to do this. First, pick up a side hustle. Editing short videos, flipping thrift store finds, selling digital products. It's easier than ever to make extra money online. Second, ask for a raise. If you've been at your job for over a year, research your worth and make your case. Employers won't hand you more money unless you ask. And third, sell things you don't use. Clothes, gadgets, random stuff collecting dust. Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and Poshmark exist for a reason. Try making an extra $200 this week. It might sound small, but small wins add up fast. Now that you're saving, where should you actually put your money? The worst place is your checking account. You might as well let inflation eat it for breakfast. Instead, open a high-yield savings account so your money grows while it sits. Keep your savings in a separate bank account so you're not tempted to dip into it. And if you already have a cushion, invest a portion in index funds or ETFs to start building real wealth. Saving your first $10,000 isn't about luck. It's about small, smart money moves that add up over time. Set your goal, cut the waste, make more money, and put it where it grows. Now, here's what I want you to do. Pick one step from this video and start today. If you're serious about hitting your first 10K, it starts now. And if you want more real, no BS finance tips, hit that subscribe button and let's grow your money together.